wasn't listening because as soon as I heard the phone go off, so I was like, oh, we're going. I had to grab my stuff, haul ass across the.
Don't you look cool, Frog? What? Don't you look cool?
Like Chad Staley.
Who's that model guy who has the gold hair?
Who?
Like that has the fluffy. Hey. It has the nice long grip for his hair. Fabio.
At 41?
No, Fabio. Fabio number 2.
You don't even know the man. How you gonna make fun of him? You don't even know.
Fabio, no, look at the hair, Fabio.
I don't know who you're
This is
talking
called $30 an hour. I am slept all day.
Loved it. Look at that.
Carlson, your hair looks just about as good as you are at basketball, which is not very.
With your little dirty Sanchez.
Hold on. My hair is on fleek. Alright?
Your boyfriend do that?
Okay, you can't say it was fleek and be the most hillbilly motherfucker.
I can say anything I want to say. Alright, you know what? My mustache is on point, my hair is on point, my ball game is on point. You're just mad you can't win.
Who are you lying to? Ball game on point my ass. Where's my
You're just mad. I can see you basketball. Threes all day. He just knocking up threes.
It's awkwardly built like that when you expect her to play basketball.
You know what? If we could even lower than that, I can still dunk over.
You can't even touch the rim, by the way. Maybe you can't even touch the net.
I can't touch the rim, thank you. I need good. I just want to get
Touch the rim over.
No, I just gotta have a good head start. Alright, I need a good head start and a good jump button. Okay.
My hair exceeds.
Me too.
I can jump. Oh, okay. We'll see when we get back.
No, we won't.